Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth with Crafty Liz Creations. This is a video of me showing you how to make a Gigi petal. So what you do is you grab a 10 by 10 inch cut deco mesh, put it curved side up, turn it into a diamond, and I take this corner and put it over to this corner to get that shape. And I take this tip up here and put it over here, like so. And then I flip this over. Here you can use pins if you want to. You can use a pin here and right here, so that'll hold. And then you can flip this over on its side. Line these up really good. And you can scrunch from right here where the folds meet. You can scrunch there. Put a pin on it. Whoops. And you get your Gigi petal. Okay, let me show you that again. So 10 by 10 cut deco mesh, turn it into a diamond, make a triangle shape, flatten it out, and take this tip and put it over there. Again, you can put your pins there to hold. And I flip this over on its side, so where the folded edges meet, that's where you scrunch. This off, and this is where I scrunch. And that's the Gigi petal. I'll show you that again one more time. Again, 10 by 10, turn it into a diamond, fold it over, make a triangle, fold this over. Try not to go over this edge over here. Grab a pin, clip it, and then you flip this over. Okay, take these off, and here you can scrunch, and you put a clip on it, and you can open this up a little bit more. And that's the Gigi petal. Okay, thank you all for joining. You guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick videos, how-to videos like this. Bye.